Hey you guys, I am so excited. I just got 2 boxes in the mail like just moments ago. I was seriously stalking my mailbox. What time is it? It's almost 4 p.m. Like, come on mail people, but it is storming. I don't know. I'm just grateful. Thank you. It's here. But I got my Allure beauty box and my Ipsy. So I am super excited. I'm going to open both today. I put up a poll asking what one I should open first. So I'll probably post whatever, or I will post whatever the highest result is, but personally the one I want to open first is my December Allure beauty box. I'm super excited. This box is curated by Lippie Tutorials, and I know 2 things that are in here, and I am so excited. So you'll see shortly. But before we begin, I just want to say hello to everyone that's new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. This is what I do here every day on my channel. I open boxes, so if you love that sort of thing, please feel free to subscribe. But anyways, let's get unboxing. So this is what the Allure beauty box looks like. And I think I seriously just opened the November box like a few days ago, but yeah, so far all the boxes look like this. I just recently resubscribed. So it's $10 for your very first month, but then thereafter it's $15 a month. So I know in this one there are at least 1 full-size item. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But Lippie did a good job. I did look at the spoilers, but I don't know everything that's in there. Oh, and there's our girl Lippie. So usually there's a model on here, but of course that she curated it and she's beautiful. There she is, rocking that highlight. So inside the pamphlet that comes every month, it'll tell you more about each of the items and then also their price, or the full-size price if you get a sample size. So you typically get about 5 or 6 items in this box, and usually they are like deluxe sample size, and it's beauty and like makeup, hair care. Actually, I don't know if I got hair care, but last month in November it was very skincare heavy. There wasn't really any makeup, but this month I believe is mostly makeup items. So the first thing I see when I open it is just like a piece of paper. It says Allure Beauty Box New Look. Sleek, chic, and multifunctional. Starting in January, you'll discover our makeover of the Allure Beauty Box, including collectible limited edition pouch to reuse or share. What could be better than that? 6 amazing picks plus a bonus gift with your shiny new pouch. Scratch off to reveal 2 of the products you'll receive. Oh my god, so you can scratch off to see what's coming in January? I'll do that at the end of this video if you want a sneak peeks. I won't do it yet, but I'll wait till the end in case you don't want to see that, but that's kind of exciting. I hope I have a coin or something around here to do that. But anyways, I am going to start with a full-size item of something I have been dying to try. Here it is, an Ofra highlighter. Oh my god, you guys, I've heard so much about this. If you watch any beauty gurus on YouTube, you know about this too. I mean, you probably even have one. I think I'm way out of the loop with the Ofra stuff, but so this is the Ofra x Lippie Tutorials highlighter in Everglow, and it comes in this cute packaging. And inside, this is what it looks like. So there's like 3 shades in there pretty much. If you guys use this, tell me how you use it. Do you just mix it all together, or do you just like put your brush in a portion of it? Anyways, I will swatch all the colors right now. Feels creamy and amazing. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, there are 3 very different colors, so I'm assuming that people just use one of them. Oh my god, look at that. So pigmented too, and it really did swatch beautifully. I'm super, super excited. So let's see what the price of this is. So this is $35. So keep in mind, this box I paid $15 for. So already it's way over that. So this is a full size, so this is $35. So cool. I'm very excited to try that out on my face. Alright, and the next thing I see, oh, this is definitely full size too. A NYX lingerie, let's see, Lippie in Cabaret Show. And I have used some of their lip products. I've gotten one in the same line in one of my Ipsies, but it was a sample size. So let me get this plastic off and swatch this. This looks really pretty. Okay, that just took me so long to open. I'm so glad I know how to edit now. Anyways, this is the packaging. And let's see. So it comes with that type of applicator. I'm just gonna swatch a little over here. So this is a pretty shade. I'm excited to try that out. I feel like Nikki and I kind of have similar coloring. Maybe this will work for me. But yeah, she picked out everything in this box. And this is a good one. So the full size of this is $6.99. This is the full size. So seriously, Allure has stepped it up so far this month. I am super excited about this box. Honestly, this box, I knew there was an over highlighter in it because Nikki was curating it. So that's why I resubscribed. And I am so glad I did. All right, the next thing I see is by Ren Beauty. I actually have something in this line. This is the Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. And I have the face mask that's in this recovery line, and I really like it. So I'm excited to try overnight product because I'm way more likely to reach for that opposed to a mask because I'm lazy and I'd rather just keep something overnight and then, you know, I can take it off in the morning when I shower or whatever, like, and not have to take it off after 10 minutes. Whoa, the full size of this is $48. So it's nice you get a sample, and it's a good enough sample size to get a feel if you actually want to purchase the full item. So I'm definitely excited to try this. So this is supposed to help moisturize your skin. What else does it say? So it's good for sensitive skin. It has a lot of healthy oils in it. So I'm excited. It says it is, just don't layer it under serums or creams that might not penetrate the balm. So this is really good to use on its own, apparently. Okay. Or put the serums on first. Oh man, this is so cute. A single Neutrogena makeup wipe. I heard they made these and some people were like, that's so wasteful. But honestly, I think this is so cute. And now seeing it in person, this is definitely something you can keep in your bag. Like, if you have a significant other or you spend the night somewhere else, it'd be nice to have this, you know, because so you don't totally sleep in all your makeup, which I try really hard not to do these days. I used to do all the time, but I'm trying to be better about that. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to show you what I am so excited about along with the highlighter. We got a Juvia's Place palette. I have been dying to try Juvia's Place. Like, that is on my to-do list. I'm like kind of a no-buy, so I haven't bought anything, and I wanted to so bad. Like, I'm so excited. So this is the Nubian, the mini palette by Juvia's Place. Like, just look at this packaging. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Let me get this open. So this is the outside of the palette. Now let's see what's inside. Like the protector thing. Awesome. And these are definitely colors I would use. So there's no mirror or anything like that, but that's okay for me. Can you see it? So I'm gonna swatch these on my opposite hand. Okay, you guys, the shimmers are definitely swatching the best. Sorry, I didn't do a very pretty job at my swatches, but you can get the color payoff there, like you can tell. Oh my god, look at that one shimmer in the middle. Oh yes. I am so excited to finally try out Juvia's Place. I'm so pumped. I am so happy with this box, but there is one thing left. What is this? The Architect Slim Eyeliner. But before I get more into this, I forgot to say the pricing of the Juvia's Place palette, but I'm pretty sure the full size are all $20. Yep, so the full size is $20. Awesome. Oh, and they have a coupon code if you want to save 10% at Juvia's Place. Use ALLURE in all caps. So that is good until the end of January. So awesome. Maybe I'll try another palette if that works well. But back to this. So this is a waterproof slim eyeliner, and I'm wondering if it's in the same color as what's on the end of the packaging. This is what it looks like. This looks like a full size too. So we got 3 full-size items in this box. Crazy. Oh, so this is a brush one. I've been wanting to try a brush tip eyeliner so badly because I don't really like the felt tip. I just feel like they bleed or I mess up. So I'm really excited to try this. So this is $14. And let's see what this looks like. Ooh, so this is definitely black. That's like a good black too. Look how, that's a very deep black. Oh my god, look at those highlighters. That's crazy. That was just like a quick swatch too. I didn't even go over it. So yeah, that is everything. Let's go over it. A full-size Ofra highlighter from the Nikki Tutorials collaboration. Full-size NYX Lingerie Lippie. The mini Juvia's Place palette, the Nubian. I'm so excited. Cute little cleansing cloth by Neutrogena, which I know I like because I've used these. And something I'm excited about too, the skincare item is by Ren, the Overnight Recovery Balm, and I've tried out something else in that line like I said, so I'm excited to try this out. So overall, this box is a huge win for me. So I am super happy. I'm so glad I resubscribed. So let's scratch off this thing and see the spoilers. So if you don't want to know, you can stop watching now, but let's see. Let me grab something to scratch this with. Hey, you guys. I kind of like did that like too rough. It was hard at first, like I couldn't do it with this like my lip liner. So I got out scissors because I'm lazy to get up and find a coin. But we're gonna get a Sunday Riley Glow Face Oil, which I already love their products. You guys know that. And then I think we're getting a nail polish. But I accidentally scratched over the company. I want to say it's like the LA one, like NCLA or something like that, is a bonus gift. And then we're also getting a retinol serum, or maybe like you get one or the other. So seriously, this is really hard to read through it, but you either get the CEO Glow Face Oil by Sunday Riley or their retinol serum, or you get both and then you get the nail polish as a bonus gift. So that, yeah, oh, I think maybe we get both the Sunday Riley items and then we get a nail polish as a bonus gift. Sorry, I'll let you guys know in the comments if I hear more, but it looks like we're getting 2 Sunday Riley items and then a nail polish as a bonus gift in next month's box. I don't know what the other items are, but I am so happy with this box, you guys. So I'm not sure if this is going up tonight or if my Ipsy is, but I am just gonna open up the advent calendar for the 20th. So I'm sorry if this is out of order, but yeah, that's just how things go. And I spotted 20 very easily, which is nice, so no struggling there, so. All right, so day 20 is cream comfort. So this is the L'Occitane Luxury Advent Calendar, and this is the 20th day. And we get a lot of skincare in here. So I think this is a facial lotion. It seems like a lot of the writing is in French, so let me see. Yep, this is a light facial cream, so awesome. I'm all about moisturizing. I probably have like a million facial creams right now. Probably whatever I don't use. Like I have a whole drawer of extras. A lot of it ends up going into my giveaways, so that's another thing I do here frequently on my channel, so look out for that. The next one will probably be when I hit 2,000 subscribers, which will hopefully be soon. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I am so happy right now. I cannot wait to go play with my new makeup. But anyways, thank you so much for unboxing with me. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.